ورتل القرآن ترتيلا.
Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we will be summarizing Noon Saakin and Tanween rules. Our learning objectives are: number one, to practice identifying the Noon Saakin and Tanween rules. Number two, to be able to apply all the Noon Saakin and Tanween rules in our reading. And number three, to be able to explain the steps required to find any of the Noon Saakin and Tanween rules. So let's recap the steps to find the different Noon Saakin and Tanween rules. The first step is to look for Noon Saakin or Tanween. And the second step is to look up the letter after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. For the rule of Idhar, it should have the letters Hamza Ha, Ain Ha, Ghain Kha. For the rule of Idgham with Gunna, it should have the letters Ya, Waw, Meem, Noon. For the rule of Idgham without Gunna, it should have the two letters Lam or Ra. For the rule of Iqlab, it should have the letter Ba. And for the rule of Ikfa, it will have the rest of the letters. A quick way to identify the rules of Noon Saakin or Tanween is to look at the symbols. For the rule of Idhar, the Noon will have a permanent sukoon. The Tanween signs, there will be a 69 for the Dammatain, and for the Kasratain and Fathatain, you will see that they are parallel to each other. For the rule of Iqlab, you will see that the Noon will have a small Meem sign next to it. And for the Tanween rules, the Damma, Fatha and Kasra will also have a small Meem attached to it. For the rule of Ikfa and Idgham, the Noon will be empty, and you will see on the Tanween signs that the Dammatain will have a 99 sign, and the Fathatain and Kasratain will not be parallel to each other. Now it's time to join all the rules together. So let's have a look at this example. There are 4 rules to this example. So if we go across, we can see that there is a Noon Saakin followed by the letter Ba, which is the rule of Iqlab. And we can see from the symbol of Noon Saakin, it has a small Meem attached to it. If we go across, we can see that there is a Tanween sign followed by the letter Lam, which is the rule of Idgham without Gunna, and we can see from the Tanween that it is not parallel to each other. If we go across, we can see that there is a Dammatain and followed by the letter Waw, which is Idgham with incomplete Gunna. And if we look at the Tanween sign, it has the 99, which shows that it is the rule of Idgham. If we go across, we can see that there is a Tanween sign followed by the letter Kaf, which shows that it is the rule of light Ikfa. And again, we can see from the Dammatain, it is 99 to show that it is a rule of Ikfa. You may feel that this is information overload due to all the different rules and all the different letters, but by practicing, you will find that over time it will come to you naturally. Now let's do some more practicing. So look at the verse below. There are 7 rules in this verse. So if we go across, we can see that there's a Tanween followed by the letter Lam, which means it is a rule of Idgham without Gunna. If we go across, there is a Noon Sakina followed by the letter Dhal, which shows that it is light Ikfa. There is a Tanween followed by the letter Sheen, which shows that it is light Ikfa. There is a Tanween followed by the letter Meem, which shows that it is Idgham with complete Gunna. There is a Noon Sakina followed by the letter Lam, which shows that it is Idgham without Gunna. There is a Noon Sakin followed by the letter Ha, which shows that it is the rule of idhar. There is a tanween followed by the letter ha, which shows that it is the rule of idhar. Now it's time to do one by yourself. Find the 6 rules of Noon Saakin and Tanween. Resume the video to find the answers. Now let's go through the answers. There is a Tanween followed by the letter Hamza, which is the rule of idhar. There is a Noon Saakin followed by the letter Hamza, so it is the rule of idhar. There is a Noon Saakin followed by the letter Dal, so it is a rule of light ikfa. There is a Noon Saakin followed by the letter Qaf, which shows that it is heavy ikfa. There is a Noon Saakin followed by the letter Ya, which shows it is idgham with incomplete gunna. There is a Tanween followed by the letter Hamza, which shows that it is the rule of idhar. Hope you got all the answers correct. If not, go back and review the previous lessons. Now let's recap the steps again to consolidate all of our previous lessons. Step 1. Look for Noon Saakin or Tanween. Step 2. Look at the letter after Noon Saakin or Tanween. To be of the rule of idhar, it should have the letters Hamza ha, Ain ha, Ghain kha. To be of the rule of idgham with gunna, it should have the letters Ya, Waw, Meem or Noon. To be of the rule of idgham without gunna, it should have the letters Lam or Ra. To be of the rule of iqlab, it should have the letter Ba. And for the rest of the letters, it will be the rule of ikfa. So what have you learnt in this lesson? We know how to identify all the Noon Saakin and Tanween rules in a given verse. We know how to apply all the Noon Saakin and Tanween rules in our reading. We can explain all the steps required to find any of the Noon Saakin and Tanween rules. Hope you have benefited from this lesson. Keep seeking knowledge. Ma'as salama.